Hello, it's me again. This is part 2 of 7 days of meditative doodling. So we're going to learn some new patterns today. So I'm going to start off as we did before. Do our 4 dots and then just kind of join them up. Doesn't need, as you can see, mine are quite wiggly today, which is cool. And then we're going to be a bit more, let's be a little bit kind of more controlled. I'm going to have there we are. Wow. It's a bit kind of, yeah, strict what we're doing. So the first one we're going to do in the big shape, because I really like this one. It's called poke root, which I think is an American plant that might even be poisonous. And what you do is you do a little kind of stem, and then you do a kind of circle, and then you do another stem coming out from the same place. And then this circle can kind of go like that. And another one can go behind. And then you go, okay, let's do another one here. Another one here. It doesn't matter if it's not perfect. Sometimes they can come out not in the gaps. Make them a bit rounder, a bit neater. Be a bit shorter. Let's do another one here. I might do another one there as well, just why not? And maybe we'll do another one here as well. But there's no right or wrong, you just do whatever you like. There we are. I think I might do another one here actually as well. Just it feels like it needs something else in that space. There we are. So that's that one done. That was nice and easy, wasn't it? Next one is a kind of crisscross thing. And, you have to do a little bit of planning. A little bit. Yeah, you just need to be a little bit careful and sometimes think about which way things are going. So I'm going to start off with that. And then I'm going to have one that goes under it, like that. And then I'm going to think about one here, and I'm going to have a gap, something can go over it. And it's going to go under there. And then something can go over it there. There we are. And then I'll have that going over. And then here, have something going over it there. And something going over it there. So let's put that one in. So it's going to go under those. That's going to go over there. And as you can see, I'm literally just making it up as I go along. There's no right or wrong. Now we definitely need something coming across here, I think. So which let's start here. It's going to go under all of these. And let's have one going under there. That's probably enough. Oh, maybe just have something there. Cool. Okay, next one. It's actually really nice for adding to the edges when we get to do something a little bit more complicated. Basically, you just do a wiggle and then some dots coming down. Wiggle, dots coming down. So, first of all, let's just do the wiggles. Make sure they're all kind of different lengths, but they're nice if they're kind of echoing each other. Not that I'm echoing very well here, as you can see. Fit one more in there. Let's do some more here. Then let's add in the dots. So the dots are falling straight down. And sometimes you can have them all kind of spaced out and then closer to. It's kind of cool. And they don't have to go right down to the bottom either. There we are. So that one's nice and easy. And then the final one is a bit more complicated. So we start off by, I'm actually going to use my pencil at this point in case I make a mistake. I'm going to have like a kind of a tube like that. And then we're going to have kind of like bangles around it. So two bangles like that. And then we're going to have a line going through, but in the middle have a couple of dots. You see what I'm doing there? And then what we're going to do is we're going to echo that line. Oh, I forgot, you see. That wasn't so clever. We're going to fill in the tube. Then get one more row in. Even put another little row in there. There we are. So it kind of looks like it's sort of being held on to the background somehow, which is a bit cool. Now, I'm going to start with shading this one. Now this one is really nice if you put a little bit of shading just kind of under the bit of the bangle that goes over it. Do you see what I mean? Just like that. And then you could do a little bit of extra shading just in the background if you want. Just like that. So I'm doing this sort of very close cross hatching. That seems to work quite well. There we are. So that's that one. I don't think I'm going to add any shading to this one. So then let's look at these here. Now I think it's nice to give them a little bit of, so it looks like they are fruit, bit of roundness. You might want to put a little bit darker just where the stalk goes in as well, but don't feel you have to. You can stop right with doing the outline drawing, and that is absolutely fine. When I started doing this, I didn't do any shading at all. And the other thing I'm going to do is put a bit of shading under, so it's almost like it's making a little bit of shadow. But again, you don't need to do it accurately or think about which way the light direction's coming or anything like that. Just do it because it's fun. So I'm going to put a bit more in there because there's a bit more space. So why not? There we are. And then finally, this one here, I think it's quite nice to put a bit of shading. Say decide you're going to put it on the right of all the strips. But if you do something wrong, you know, when I say wrong, in inverted commas, you know, if you get it in the wrong place, it doesn't matter, does it? No, it doesn't. And I'm just kind of adding a few bits where I think it needs something, because that's what you can do when you're an artist. There we are, and I think that's done now. So that didn't take too long, did it? Hopefully you can see that. See you next time.